Hi everyone, welcome. Today I have Skullcandy Crusher ANC 2 headphones and I'm going to show you how can you easily enable or disable phone calls in your Android phone. Let's get started. First we have to scroll all the way down until we see our control panel and then head to Bluetooth. Now we have to go into settings of their device, clicking this gear icon over there. Now we have to scroll down and as you can see there's an option phone calls. We can enable it and wait a moment. Or we can disable it clicking the same button. That's it, hope it helps you. Goodbye.